Now let us look at question 24. In this question, you are supposed to use a ruler and a pair of compass only. A ruler and a pair of compass only. No any other instrument should be used at this particular place. Now, you have been given a line PR, which is a diagonal of a certain quadrilateral PQRS. That is a quadrilateral PQRS. Now, PR, as you have been given, it is 6 centimeters. You are supposed to locate vertex Q on the quadrilateral such that PQRS, so that angle RPQ is 60 degrees. There is a certain point RPQ 60 degrees. So it means that you have to construct 60 degrees at this particular place. So how do we construct 60 degrees? Using a ruler and a pair of compass only. You make a mark on the line PR, also extend towards the other end, put on the mark on the point where it cuts PR, make an arc on the other end, then using your ruler, connect the point P. So it means on this other end, that is, there is a point Q, but we don't know where exactly it is. Other information says that angle PRQ is 45 degrees. Angle PRQ is 45 degrees. Now, we can extend the line PR. The reason why we are extending is to help us construct 90 degrees at this particular place, then bisect 90 degrees for us now to get 45 degrees. So we can construct 90 degrees at this particular place, make an arc on this side, also make an arc on the other side of the line. Have to be very keen so that you don't make a mistake. Expand your pair of compass a little bit, then anchored at here, make an arc. Also anchored at this particular place, make an arc on the same arc you've made. If you look at this angle here, when you connect, this one becomes 90 degrees. Be very keen. Now we are going to bisect the 90 degrees for us to get 45 degrees. So while anchored here, make a mark here and also make a mark here. Be very keen you don't forget the markings that you've made. Expand your compass a little bit, anchored here. When you expand your compass a little bit, make a mark, put it here again, also make a mark. Now when you connect our arcs to our point R, then where these two lines meet, that is our point that we call Q. Here is our point Q. That is going to be our point Q. Then the question goes ahead and say, measure the length PQ. This is where now a pair of divider comes in. Anchor at Q, then anchor at P. Anchor at Q, anchor at P, then you transfer it to your ruler. Transfer it to your ruler. Very well. Don't make any mistake. Don't make any mistake. And this one gives us 4.2 centimeters. So the length PQ is going to be 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeters. Now, there is a diagonal QS which is 10 meters long and it intersects with the PR at a right angle. So complete the quadrilateral PQRS. Now, there is a diagonal that is coming from Q to a certain point S, and it is meeting this PR at right angle. So it means you have to drop a right angle. So how do you drop a right angle? While anchored at Q, you're going to make two cuttings or a continuous cutting on the line PR. So you can extend this line of ours. You can extend our line PR. Still anchored at this arc, we're going to make an arc anchored here. We're also going to make an arc. Connect the arc to the point Q. Make it longer because they have said Qs is 10 centimeters. Measure 10 centimeters on your ruler. Measure 10 centimeters on your ruler. Then on the 10 centimeters at Q, you make a mark on the diagonal at this particular place where you have S. Then now connect S to P, connect R to S, and that one now gives us our figure PQRS. PQRS. Now when you do this construction, you are supposed to use a pencil so that you can be able to rub easily. Now going ahead, they want us to locate the area of the quadrilateral. Now the diagonal we've just drawn now, it is intersecting PR at right angles. This is intersecting at right angles, exact right angles. Now we have the length PR 6 centimeters. So you can measure the length P to where the diagonals are intersecting. You can measure the length P to where the diagonals are intersecting. And when you measure the length P to where the diagonals are intersecting, it gives us 2. So at this particular place, it is 2 centimeters. And since it is 6 centimeters, then here it is 4 centimeters. It's 4 centimeters. And all these are right angles here. So for us to locate the area of quadrilateral PQR, we can calculate area of triangle PQS. So we know that QS will be the base now, and it is 10 centimeters. Here up to here it is 2 centimeters, so it will be our height. So it's going to be a half times base, which is 10, times height, which is 2. And this one is going to give us how much? Going to give us 20 square centimeters. Then there is the area of triangle QRS. QRS. That is QRS. It is still QS as the base. So it also becomes a half times the base 10 times the height now, which is 4, which still gives us, okay, this one will give us 10, sorry. This one will give us 10 square centimeters, and this one will give us 20 square centimeters. And the total area becomes 10 plus 20, which equals to 30 square centimeters. And that is the last printed page of our mathematics paper 1 2023 Kcse. Thank you for staying tuned. We'll look at mathematics paper 2 another time as we go on. Remember to follow me on Facebook, on BC Online Math. The same is on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.